Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the awesome features of WhatsApp WawPro, right? Today, we'll be exploring the sending multiple custom message to all group members at once feature. Open the app and click on Upload Excel. Upload the downloaded Excel file, which has contacts. Type your message. Also, you can add your additional files if you want. If desired, you can also customize the delay settings. When you're ready, click on Start Campaign. Provide a campaign name. Click on Start to initiate the campaign and monitor the running stats. After 100% done, you can also view the bulk sender report to see the number of successfully delivered and undelivered messages. If you want to know more about WhatsApp WawPro and get involved, go to that website. Read about us and watch this video where I've got the voices of 5,700 active customers. It's an awesome feature, an important contact book and messages, personalized messages. We talk more about this on this channel. Alright, the total message number generates group contact. Send the report. I actually go through every single one, and it's all for a low fee. The basic plan is $9.99 for 7 days, and $49.99 for a one-time lifetime fee. That's a full license. Guys, get involved right now with the link. Thank you so much. Would you kindly do me a massive favor? Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you next time.